Are you ready to grow your real estate business faster, smarter, and with the right people within your circle? When Joseph and I started out, one of the first pieces of advice that we got was to invest in our community, our networking, and our mentorship. And that's exactly what we did. Being a part of the right networks gave us insights to new strategies like creative financing, connected us to the right partners, and opened doors to opportunities that we never imagined, including speaking on stages, landing a Times Square billboard, and scaling our portfolio to 21 properties in just under 2 years. In the Real Estate Hive, you'll find the same kind of connections: a community of investors, mentorship, educational resources, funding strategies, and collaboration opportunities. Everything that you need to grow your business and take actions on deals faster. So if you're ready to stop going at it alone and start leveraging the community that actually accelerates your growth, click below and join the Hive today. We can't wait to see you on the inside.